Imagine stepping into a world where every house and path feels handcrafted. Welcome to Shirakawa-go. Nestled in the mountains of Gifu Prefecture, this valley is Japan's real-life fairy tale. The journey here winds through wild landscapes, and suddenly the village of Ogimachi appears, hugged by a sparkling river. Ogimachi is the largest village in Shirakawa-go and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But this isn't a museum. People still live here, carrying on centuries-old traditions. What strikes you first is the peace. No skyscrapers, just rows of steep-roofed farmhouses. The Shigawa River reflects the sky and green mountains, adding to the village's serene charm. Life moves slowly here, inviting you to notice every detail. The village is a living model of old Japan, valuing community, nature, and tradition. Walking the paths between houses and rice paddies, you feel the weight of history. It's as if you've stumbled into a secret world, a living storybook. This isn't just a pretty picture. It's a place where the past and present blend seamlessly. Shirakawa-go invites you to slow down and savor every moment. The Gasho-zukuri houses are Shirakawa-go's icons, steep, thatched roofs like hands in prayer. This design isn't just beautiful, it's practical, letting heavy snow slide off in winter. Building these houses is a community effort, with wooden beams tied by straw ropes, no nails. Their flexibility helps them withstand earthquakes, and the thick roofs are rethatched every few decades in a festival-like event. Inside, the central hearth, or irori, is the heart of the home, used for warmth and cooking. Smoke from the hearth preserves the wood and roof, a simple, ingenious system. Upper floors once raised silkworms, making sericulture the village's main income. Today, some houses are homes, others are guest houses or museums. Staying overnight means sleeping on a futon, hearing the creak of old wood, and feeling history all around you. The Gasho-zukuri are more than houses. They're living testaments to adaptation and community. Every detail, from the beams to the hearth, tells a story of resilience. Experiencing one is stepping into centuries of tradition. Life in Shirakawa-go follows the seasons, each bringing its own magic. Spring. Melting snow reveals cherry blossoms and mirrored rice paddies, as villagers prepare for planting. Summer. The valley hums with life. Lush rice fields, buzzing cicadas, and children playing by the river. Autumn. Mountains blaze with red and gold, rice turns golden, and the harvest brings celebration. Winter. Heavy snow transforms the village into a wonderland. With Gasho-zukuri houses like frosted gingerbread, villagers clear snow together, and illuminated nights create a dreamlike scene. Each season shapes daily life, from farming to festivals. The community adapts gracefully, embracing nature's cycles. The rhythm of the year is visible everywhere, in the fields, the forests, and the village streets. Shirakawa-go's beauty isn't just in its scenery, but in how people live with the land. The seasons are woven into every tradition and celebration. Here, change is welcomed, not resisted. The village thrives by moving in harmony with nature. Rice farming is Shirakawa-go's heartbeat. Every spring, families plant seedlings by hand, turning the valley into a patchwork of shimmering paddies. The harvest in autumn is a time of gratitude, with golden stalks bundled and dried in the sun. The rice, nourished by pure mountain water, is a staple and a symbol of hard work. Festivals mark the calendar, especially the Doburoku festival, where villagers share homemade sake and celebrate the harvest. Lion dances and music fill the air, strengthening community bonds. Even rethatching a roof becomes a festival, with hundreds working together in a display of unity. These rituals, from planting to celebration, connect villagers to their ancestors and each other. Tradition and cooperation are at the core of every event. In Shirakawa-go, work and celebration are inseparable. Shirakawa-go is cradled by mountains and nourished by the Shigawa River. The mountains are more than a backdrop, they're guardians, changing with the seasons. Spring and summer bring lush green, autumn ignites fiery colors, and winter cloaks everything in white. The river's clear water sustains rice paddies and provides a playground for children. Its gentle sound is the village's constant companion, a reminder of nature's presence. Simple bridges and quiet corners invite reflection and peace. Here, you notice the small things. Moss on stones, filtered sunlight, the rhythm of the river. The houses are built from local wood and straw, blending seamlessly with the landscape. Villagers live by the seasons, taking only what they need and respecting the land. This harmony with nature is centuries old, a lesson in sustainable living. Shirakawa-go's true beauty lies in its deep connection to the world around it. Shirakawa-go's heart is its community spirit, built on yui, mutual help. Whether rethatching a roof or clearing snow, everyone pitches in. This cooperation has been essential for survival in the remote, snowy valley. Even as tourism grows, villagers fiercely protect their traditions and way of life. They're not just preserving buildings, but a living heritage. Traditional crafts, stories, and festivals are passed down with pride. The villagers see themselves as caretakers of both culture and nature. Their deep knowledge of the land shapes every decision, from farming to building. Respect for the environment is second nature. Take only what you need. Maintain the balance. This harmony between people, tradition, and nature is Shirakawa-go's soul. It's a model of community resilience and wisdom. What sets Shirakawa-go apart? Its Gashozukuri houses, unique to this region, are both beautiful and ingenious. Unlike museum villages, Shirakawa-go is alive. Real families live and farm here, keeping traditions vibrant. The village's authenticity and vitality make every visit meaningful. The spirit of yui, community cooperation, remains the village's foundation. This collective strength has preserved Shirakawa-go through isolation and change. Here, heritage is lived, not just displayed. Shirakawa-go is more than a village. It's a vision of harmony with nature and each other. It stands in gentle contrast to modern, fast-paced life. Visiting is a chance to slow down, reflect, and appreciate what truly matters. Shirakawa-go's story lingers long after you leave, crafted with care, like a living work of art.